Having issues with your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router? The first step is understanding the difference between a reboot and a factory reset. A reboot, or soft reset, is like restarting your computer. It temporarily powers down the router, clears its memory, and then restarts it. This is quick, usually taking just a minute or two, and it won't erase your custom settings like your Wi-Fi password or parental controls. Use a reboot for minor issues like slow speeds or occasional dropped connections. On the other hand, a factory reset, also known as a hard reset, returns your router to its original out-of-the-box state. This will erase all your personal data, including your network name, password, and any custom firmware settings. It's a more drastic solution for major problems like persistent malware, forgotten login credentials, or serious firmware corruption. Remember, a factory reset will require you to re-enter your Spectrum account details and reconnect all your devices to the Wi-Fi. Choose wisely. For a reboot, the easiest way is through the Spectrum Internet app or the My Spectrum website. Simply log in, navigate to your router's settings, and select Restart. You can also unplug your router from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This achieves the same result. For a factory reset, locate the Reset button on the back of your Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router. It's usually a small pinhole. Use a paperclip or something similar to press and hold the Reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. The router's lights will likely flash or change to indicate the reset is in progress. Once it's done, your router will be back to its default settings, and you'll need to set it up again using the Spectrum app or website. As a best practice, always back up your settings before performing a factory reset, if possible. After the reset, remember to reconnect all your devices and update the router's firmware to the latest version for optimal performance and security.